Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Jasmy video update. Today on the daily we are making this little bit of a green candle, but keep in mind you have 8 hours more to close the candle. Okay, so right now on the daily we have a bearish pattern which is not invalidated, and that's this one big green candle and the red candle next to it. Okay, so we've had a pump, we've digested the pump, and we've had we're looking at a little bit of some greens as well, but keep in mind you do have a little bit of resistance up here, so keep in mind you can end up having a double top, so it will be a good idea to back test it and break out and then continue to the upside. That's the condition right now. So you're having some few resistance right here, so I'm going to show you. If I take the trend line right there, this is your one huge resistance right there, because you got this here, you got rejected there, came down, rejection here, came down, try to break out a few times, came down, and now you're pumping back up to that place. Be careful, because again you can have the same result, so it's not breaking out of. But I will say one thing, that if you look at Jasmy, I'm actually gonna draw this resistance is just too much. It's quite confusing right now, that you can even say that it's almost somewhere here. Okay, that's where the resistance, I think that's better, and we must be looking at a pop to the upside, come down for the retest here, and then potentially go higher. So we're gonna have ourselves a setup if this happens. And yes, if you break to the upside, you might be looking for Jasmy to push up, and I'm gonna show you where, all the way up to nearly where you came from. So that's going to be 5995 in my opinion. And if you take the another trend line here, but yeah, if you take the measuring thing, the measure stick, then we might be looking for an entry there, and we could actually see a 17% move to the upside for Jasmy right now. But I'm looking at Bitcoin. I don't know what to say. Bitcoin is quite neutral right now. It's quite hard to say which direction Bitcoin is going to take, because you got Jasmy that is so down, you got some few coins that are so pumped, and I mean half of the altcoins are really down. Luna Classic is down, Jasmy is down. I don't know, I do see some altcoins that are so down, like even Jasmy should be pumping in my opinion. We're still above the head and shoulders, we're breaking the head and shoulders. Normally we should be looking at Jasmy to continue higher. And then you have some few coins that are really pumped. You got Joe, the meme coin, which is pumped. You got Musk, which is really pumped, and they're looking to go down. You got so many bearish divergence, you got so many bullish divergence. Luna Classic has bullish divergence. Damn, the market is so confusing right now that it's so difficult to tell you what's going to happen next. Let's see what the monthly time frame is all about, because today is potentially the last day of the month, and let's see how the monthly is going to look like. But unfortunately, you see on Luna Classic, not Luna Classic, for Jasmy, this monthly candles are not good. Okay, these monthly candles, they're more evil. But I think if you start to cross those levels and you try to come up and take out this high right there and cross them, we could be looking for maybe a push to the upside as well. The last month I talked about the shooting star, still not invalidated. On the monthly we got a little bit of a trouble here going on. So let's see what happens, guys. It's really confusing, but I'm going to say step by step. Let's see if we can break above here and then continue higher. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.